How to control your mind in just 5 minutes. If your mind feels overwhelmed right now, if your mind feels overwhelmed and your thoughts won't slow down, kindly give me 5 minutes and I will show you how to calm your mind without forcing it. Most people try to calm their mind by thinking more. They try to solve everything in their head, but that's the problem. You don't calm your mind by thinking, you calm it by stepping out of it. Your mind is constantly active, thinking, reacting, analyzing, and the more attention you give to your mind, to your thoughts, the louder it becomes. It's a loop from thought to attention, from attention to more thought, and that's what creates mental noise. You don't need to stop your thoughts, you just need to stop feeding them. And the easiest way to do that is to bring out your attention from your head and into your body. Now let's do this together. Step 1. Pause for about 30 seconds. Stop whatever you are doing. Don't try to fix anything. Just pause. Step 2 is you have to focus on your breath for about 1 or 2 minutes. Focus on your breath or your breathing. Take a slow breath in and breathe out. No rush. Just focus on the feeling of breathing. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Just bring it back. Step 3. Feel your body. Also for about 1 or 2 minutes. Feel your body. Notice your body, your hand, your leg, your feet, your chest. Draw your attention back to your physical sensation, and with this, you have brought your mind out of your thoughts. Step 4. Observe without reacting. Thoughts will still come. Let them come, but don't engage with them. Let them come and pass like cloud passing. So you just watch them pass as they came, watch them pass away too. Your mind slows down when attention leaves it. Breathing slows down your body, and when your body slows down, your mind follows it. You are not forcing silence with this, you are allowing it. These few steps that I've mentioned above, when are you supposed to use it? You are supposed to use it when you are overthinking, when you are feeling anxious, or when you lose focus, you are unable to focus on what you are doing, or when your mind won't stop. That's when you are supposed to use them. Even within 2 to 5 minutes, you can reset everything. You don't need to control every thought. You just need to create space from them. And this starts with something simple: your breath. If this video helped you, kindly hit the subscribe button and like. Also drop your comments in the comment section, because you are learning how to take control of your mind step by step. Thank you.